Good day guys, if you want to use Lovable with your Squarespace site, here's exactly how to connect them both. So you need to log in into your Lovable and open up your dashboard, which is this one, where you can just go back like that and go to the home page, and then you need to go to the integrations. So how do we get there? You go your profile, then you go to settings, and then you go to connectors. There you go, and here you can start managing. And then you go to Squarespace, you go to settings, you go to settings of your website, and then you need to go to the developer API keys or code injection, depending on your plan. And go open this section, copy the API key, or prepare to use code snippets for embedding Lovable output. And then back in Lovable, you need to paste your Squarespace API key on site credentials and authorize access. Lovable will now be able to push content or export code directly to your Squarespace site. Inside Lovable, select the project or content that you wish to deploy. So for example, you go back, you go all projects, and in here, click export and then Squarespace. Lovable will generate HTML, CSS, or JavaScript that integrates directly into your site or updates existing pages. And then go to your Squarespace site and refresh the page. Ensure that Lovable's content or code is displayed correctly. Make any adjustments in Lovable and re-export if needed. And that's how you connect Lovable to Squarespace, authorize your site, export content or code, and keep your website updated automatically using Lovable's AI tools. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy. If you like our videos, subscribe, and see you in the next one.